You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this famous brand of tequila. If you want to learn more confusing names of other brands and how to say reposado, for example, and other types of tequilas, stay tuned. You're a tequila aficionado, you found the right channel. I am too. Don Julio is the Spanish pronunciation, how it's said in Mexico. Don, alright? Julio, yes, you have the very Spanish h sound. If you cannot produce that sound, you can replace it with an H sound from English. Julio, you can say Julio. Don, just like in English, pretty much. Don Julio, you can say. That would be the English, more English American pronunciation. Don Julio. Or in Spanish, Don Julio, tequila. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.